Have you ever wondered what makes Oreos America's favorite sandwich cookie for over a century? Oreos were introduced in 1912 by Nabisco and have been owned by Mondelez International since the acquisition of Nabisco in 2012. The classic Oreo is a sandwich cookie with 2 cocoa wafers enclosing a sweet fondant filling. The original recipe includes no dairy, though they are manufactured on equipment that processes dairy products. This makes them suitable for those avoiding milk but not completely lactose-free. Oreos have a rich history of innovation, with flavors like Double Stuff and Mega Stuff introduced to satisfy the craving for more filling. The chocolate coating version is a popular variation that adds another layer of flavor. Oreo's popularity is partly due to its dunkability. The cookie holds up well when dipped in milk, making it a perfect snack for all ages. The combination of flavors and textures offers a unique eating experience. The cookie's iconic design includes the Oreo emblem embossed on each wafer, which adds to its appeal. This branding has contributed significantly to its status as an American cultural icon. Today, Oreos come in over a dozen flavors and variations, from limited edition seasonal offerings to international twists. Their versatility has cemented their place as a beloved treat worldwide. So there you have it, the rich history and diverse flavors of Oreo sandwich cookies. Which flavor is your favorite? Share in the comments.